Pinehills Campground near Wolf Lake reopens after dozens of volunteers repaired damage left by vandals last week. Officials with the Shawnee National Forest Service and volunteers with Jeep and Shawnee say the large turnout today made for quick work. After the recent snowstorms, a person or persons did donuts in a number of spots throughout the campground, leaving roots the volunteers removed.
So today when we showed up, naturally the gate was closed. It's been temporarily closed due to the vandalism, but our goal today is to fix the vandalism, to clean up the campsite areas for campers for the summer, and when we leave, we want to be able to leave the gate open.
Jeep and Shawnee works with the Forest Service on a number of projects, from picking up trash or painting signs to building structures such as the new pavilion at Pine Hills. They say the area is a treasure trove for outdoor activities, and it's their mission to protect and serve it for generations to come.
Partnerships like this with the Jeeps and Shawnee is a great opportunity for us to get work done and for them to also give back to the community. They enjoy that opportunity to come here to the Shawnee National Forest and ride their Jeeps.
The campground is open year-round, and anyone with information on the damage should call police.